Have you ever noticed your shoes feeling tighter by evening, or your legs feeling heavy after sitting for just a short while? If you're over 60, you're not alone. Millions of seniors deal with uncomfortable swelling in their legs and joints daily, often accepting it as just another part of getting older. But what if I told you there's a natural way to fight back against this frustrating problem? Today, we're revealing 15 powerful collagen-packed foods that can help reduce swelling, strengthen your legs, and support healthier joints, all while being delicious and easy to prepare. These aren't complicated supplements or expensive treatments. These are everyday foods you can find at your local grocery store that work from the inside out to restore your body's natural ability to maintain strong, comfortable joints and improved circulation. Over the next few minutes, you'll discover exactly which foods to add to your weekly shopping list, how to prepare them for maximum benefit, and why they're particularly effective for seniors dealing with swelling and joint discomfort. You'll also learn simple meal planning strategies that make incorporating these foods effortless, even if you're cooking for just yourself. The best part? Many people start noticing improvements in their leg comfort and joint flexibility within just 2 to 3 weeks of making these dietary changes. Your body has a remarkable ability to heal and strengthen itself when given the right nutrients. If you're ready to take control of your comfort and mobility, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more evidence-based senior health tips that actually work. Let's get started with understanding why swelling becomes such a common challenge after 60. After age 60, your body undergoes several changes that make swelling more likely to occur. Your blood vessels naturally lose some of their elasticity, making it harder for your circulatory system to efficiently pump fluid back up from your legs to your heart. This is why you often notice swelling most in your ankles, feet, and lower legs. At the same time, your muscles, particularly in your calves, begin to lose strength. These muscles act like natural pumps, helping push blood and lymphatic fluid upward against gravity. When they weaken, fluid tends to pool in your lower extremities, causing that uncomfortable heavy, tight feeling. Your joints also produce less synovial fluid, the natural lubricant that keeps them moving smoothly. Combined with declining collagen production, this leads to increased joint stiffness and inflammation, which can contribute to overall swelling and discomfort. This isn't just about comfort. Persistent swelling can significantly impact your daily life. Simple activities like grocery shopping, climbing stairs, or even putting on shoes can become challenging. Many seniors find themselves avoiding activities they once enjoyed, leading to reduced mobility and independence. The good news is that these changes aren't irreversible. By providing your body with specific nutrients, particularly collagen and collagen-supporting compounds, you can help restore better circulation, reduce inflammation, and support stronger, more comfortable joints. Have you experienced bothersome leg swelling or joint stiffness? Share your experience in the comments below. Your story might help other viewers know they're not alone in this challenge. Collagen is your body's most abundant protein, making up about 30% of all the protein in your body. Think of it as the scaffolding that holds everything together. Your joints, blood vessel walls, skin, and connective tissues all depend on collagen for their strength and flexibility. Here's the challenge. Starting around age 20, your body begins producing 1 to 1.5% less collagen each year. By the time you reach 60, you're producing roughly 40% less collagen than you did in your 20s. This decline directly impacts your joint health and circulation. In your joints, collagen forms the cartilage that cushions bone-to-bone contact. As collagen decreases, cartilage becomes thinner and less resilient, leading to stiffness, discomfort, and inflammation. In your blood vessels, collagen provides structural support that keeps vessels flexible and efficient at moving blood throughout your body. When your vessels lose this structural integrity, circulation becomes less efficient, contributing to the fluid buildup that causes swelling in your legs and feet. Your leg muscles also depend on collagen-rich connective tissues to maintain their strength and proper function. The encouraging news is that research shows consuming collagen-rich foods can help support your body's natural collagen production, potentially improving joint comfort, reducing inflammation, and supporting better circulation, exactly what you need to address swelling and maintain strong, mobile legs. The 15 collagen-packed foods. Number 1. Beef bone broth. Rich in type 1 and type 3 collagen, beef bone broth provides the building blocks your joints need for cartilage repair. The slow cooking process extracts collagen directly from bones and connective tissues. For seniors, this means better joint lubrication and reduced morning stiffness. Simmer beef bones for 12-24 hours with a splash of apple cider vinegar to maximize collagen extraction. Start with store-bought versions if homemade seems overwhelming. Number 2. Chicken bone broth. Contains type 2 collagen, specifically beneficial for joint cartilage health. The amino acids glycine and proline support circulation and help reduce inflammation that contributes to swelling. Chicken broth is typically milder in flavor, making it perfect for seniors with sensitive digestion. Use a slow cooker for easy preparation. Add bones, water, and vegetables, then let it cook overnight. Number 3. Fish stock. Provides marine collagen that's easily absorbed by your body. Fish bones contain collagen peptides that support blood vessel elasticity, directly improving circulation in your legs. The omega-3 fatty acids in fish stock also have anti-inflammatory properties. Save fish bones from dinner, or ask your fishmonger for bones. Simmer for 4 to 6 hours for optimal collagen extraction. Number 4. Wild-caught salmon. The skin contains concentrated collagen while the flesh provides omega-3s that reduce inflammation. Together they support both joint health and circulation. For seniors, this combination helps address swelling while strengthening leg muscles. Bake salmon with the skin on, or try canned salmon with bones for added calcium and collagen. Number 5. Sardines with bones. These small fish are collagen powerhouses, especially when eaten with their soft, edible bones. They provide both collagen and calcium for bone strength. The convenience of canned sardines makes them perfect for seniors. Try them mashed on toast or mixed into pasta salad for easy meals that support joint health. Number 6. Mackerel. High in both collagen and anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce joint swelling. The healthy fats support circulation while collagen supports joint structure. Mackerel is often more affordable than other fatty fish. Grill whole mackerel or try smoked mackerel flaked into salads for variety. Tuna, with skin when possible, contains collagen in the skin and connective tissues, plus lean protein for muscle maintenance. Fresh tuna steaks with skin provide more collagen than canned versions. The protein helps maintain the muscle strength needed for good circulation. Sear tuna steaks lightly to preserve nutrients while making the skin crispy and enjoyable. Number 8. Chicken with skin. Chicken skin is rich in collagen and provides the amino acids your body needs for collagen synthesis. Don't skip the skin, it's where much of the collagen resides. Roast chicken thighs with skin for maximum collagen benefit. The cooking process breaks down collagen into easily absorbed gelatin that supports joint health. Number 9. Turkey, especially dark meat. Dark meat contains more collagen-rich connective tissues than white meat. Turkey also provides selenium, which supports collagen production. The B vitamins in turkey help with circulation. Slow-cook turkey legs or thighs to break down tough connective tissues into beneficial gelatin that your joints can use. Number 10. Grass-fed beef. Chuck roast. Short ribs. Tougher cuts contain more collagen-rich connective tissues. Grass-fed beef provides additional anti-inflammatory omega-3s. The slow cooking required for these cuts transforms tough collagen into tender, easily digestible gelatin. Use a slow cooker or pressure cooker to make tough cuts tender while maximizing collagen extraction. Number 11. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale. While plants don't contain collagen, they provide vitamin C, iron, and antioxidants essential for collagen production. These nutrients help your body synthesize its own collagen more effectively. The nitrates in leafy greens also support circulation. Add fresh greens to smoothies or lightly sauté with garlic for easy preparation. Number 12. Beans and legumes. Provide the amino acids glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the building blocks of collagen. They also offer plant-based protein to support muscle strength in your legs. Beans are budget-friendly and versatile. Try lentil soups, chickpea salads, or black bean dishes to support your body's natural collagen production. Number 13. Nuts and seeds, especially pumpkin seeds. Rich in zinc and copper, essential minerals for collagen synthesis. They also provide healthy fats that support circulation and reduce inflammation. Pumpkin seeds specifically contain amino acids that support collagen production. Keep a small portion of mixed nuts and seeds handy for easy snacking that supports joint health. Citrus fruits. Vitamin C is absolutely essential for collagen synthesis. Without it, your body cannot produce collagen effectively. Citrus fruits provide this vital nutrient in an easily absorbed form. The flavonoids in citrus also support circulation and reduce inflammation. Enjoy fresh oranges, grapefruits, or add lemon to your water throughout the day. Bell peppers, especially red. Red bell peppers contain more vitamin C than citrus fruits, plus antioxidants that protect existing collagen from damage. They also provide vitamin A, which supports tissue repair. The combination makes them excellent for seniors focusing on joint health. Enjoy them raw in salads, roasted as a side dish, or stuffed with other collagen-supporting ingredients. Making these collagen-rich foods part of your routine doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start by planning just 3 collagen-focused meals per week. Then gradually increase as these foods become familiar. For weekly meal planning, batch cook bone broth on weekends and freeze portions in ice cube trays for easy use. Prepare large portions of slow-cooked meats like chuck roast or turkey legs, then portion and freeze for quick reheating throughout the week. Combine foods for maximum benefit. Pair vitamin C-rich bell peppers with collagen-rich chicken, or add citrus to fish dishes. This combination enhances collagen absorption and synthesis. Simple recipes work best. Try chicken and vegetable soup using homemade bone broth, or salmon with roasted peppers and leafy greens. Canned fish like sardines or salmon make quick collagen-rich meals when mixed with beans and fresh vegetables. Keep it convenient. Pre-wash and chop vegetables when you bring them home. Cook grains and legumes in batches, and always have some bone broth ready in your freezer. Start with just one new food per week, rather than trying to incorporate everything at once. This approach prevents overwhelm and helps you discover which preparations you enjoy most. What's your favorite way to prepare these collagen-rich foods? Share your go-to preparation methods in the comments. Your tips might help other viewers get started more easily. While collagen-rich foods form the foundation, simple lifestyle additions amplify their benefits. Light movement throughout the day helps circulation. Try ankle circles and calf raises while sitting, or take short walks after meals. Stay adequately hydrated, as water supports collagen synthesis and helps reduce fluid retention. Elevate your legs for 15-20 minutes daily to encourage circulation back to your heart. Consult your healthcare provider if swelling persists or worsens, especially if accompanied by shortness of breath or rapid weight gain. These could indicate underlying conditions requiring medical attention. Remember, consistency with these collagen-supporting foods typically shows results within 2 to 4 weeks, so be patient with the process. These 15 collagen-packed foods offer a natural, delicious path to stronger legs and reduced swelling. Start with just 2 to 3 foods this week, and build from there. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more practical senior health tips. Give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and comment below with which food you'll try first.